200,000 gallons. Just take a look. She's towards the individual animals. First of all, turkey and baby is how they handle it so far. Well, they have an entire breed.
1, 2, 3. It's cold here where I stand. My hand held in my hands. The truth is what you found. Let you down, but before you go, there's something I must say. We've come too far to throw this life away, and if you could find it in your heart to try to give your broken wings a chance to fly, I'll make it up to you. This much I promise you. Let me make you smile through your tears. I'll make it up to you, just like you want me to. Love will conquer all of your fears. I'll make it up to you. And now you feel alone. I hear you crying on the phone. I'm right outside your door. I need a chance, oh just one more. And redemption is a word that comes to mind when you say you need to leave.
The U.S. Coast Guard is helping us tremendously. They played a huge role in this release in trying to get the birds from point A to point B.
On Wednesday, June 23rd, 2 Coast Guard C-144 Ocean Sentry aircraft arrived at New Orleans International Airport to pick up and transport a very special cargo, 62 brown pelicans and 1 northern gannet. Several weeks ago, these birds were rescued from the Louisiana coast, covered in oil from the Deepwater Horizon spill. After being rehabilitated by trained wildlife responders, the pelicans were flown more than 400 miles away from any oil to a wildlife refuge in Texas. After 2.5 hours flying, the Coast Guard aircraft landed in Texas, where members of the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service were waiting to take the birds to their new home at Aransas National Wildlife Refuge. On the shore of San Antonio Bay, each crate was carefully carried to the water's edge and opened. The birds quickly flew away.
To give your broken wings a chance to fly, I'll make it up to you. This much I promise you. Let me.
Wildlife that is oiled typically does not eat very well. They get or drink well. They get dehydrated. That's the biggest problem. So those birds are brought in, stabilized. Once they're stabilized with fluids and nutrition, then they're washed to remove the oil, and they may be washed several days in a row if necessary. Once they're back eating and drinking on their own, they're put out into rehab pens where they can move around. Once they're obtaining food on their own and preening their feathers, then they can be released.
Feel alone. I hear you crying on the phone. I'm right outside your door. I need a chance, oh just one more. And redemption is a word that comes to mind when you say you need to leave this pain behind. Wish away the hurt you feel, and give your broken heart a chance to heal. I'll make it up to you. This much I promise you. Let me make you smile through your tears. I'll make it up to you, just like you want me to. Love